unleash, you want to unscrew these two bolts right here so you can remove this, and they free up a lot more room for you. So I took this off. Make sure you put the screws and have everything together, so like when you put it back on, you know where everything goes. Well, I'm gonna do the same thing to this side so it can free up some room so I can get this in. We're gonna screw back on, and we're gonna take this off next. This so y'all can see what it sounds like stop. So we got both of them sides pulled off. So now it's gonna free up the room to take these off. Make sure you get this side. Just take this side up here like that. You want the skinny side going in, and you want the part with this part to be on the outside. You want to unscrew these two bolts right here that's on to the air filter, so you can just pull it out. Man, you don't gotta unscrew these. Really just unhook these lines right here and just pull it straight up, and then it's gonna come out like this. Set that. Just you put this on first before you put these on, so when you slide it in, you know how far you can slide it in without having to, you know, mess with anything. So put this on first, screw these on. And what? It's gonna sound better too. Got it on. They say y'all be careful with these wires. And use the aftermarket screws that they give you, because the ones that come with it don't fit as well. You're gonna be struggling with those. Got everything on this side tightened down. You gotta do this one. Use this tool like this, pull it out, make sure you get the screws out, and be careful with these lines right here, because they're very, very thin, and you do not want to break them. You pull this out, or you can do that. Make sure you pull this piece out right here, put that back in. There you go. Show you 2 sensor. Pull this out like so. Right. And these things just pop out. It's like 2 supporters that hold it in place. You just pull up on it. You don't gotta unscrew each individual bolt. Save you some time. Save you a lot of time. Make sure you get it in there so the air is not leaking through. Make sure you tighten this all the way down. Make sure you got your bolts tightened down right here, man. All right, got this side in. Everything look like it's good to go. Now I just gotta put this filter on, and then we should be good. That should be everything. Tighten these two bolts out here back down. Make sure everything tight. And we got the air filters, the air intakes on. This charge pipe off. So with these, man, you want to make sure you get a screwdriver and like get in between it so it comes off. And once you get that off, make sure you don't break the clamp. Gotta keep that clamp. Got that thing all complete. So this arm was shorter, so I didn't want to put the shorter one on there. I'm gonna just wait for them to send me another part. But for the most part, bro, put it on there. Got the air intakes, got the charge pipe. Gotta get that other charge pipe put on and we will be squared away. Then we go to down pipes and we good to go. Just like that, we are done. Nothing flew off, so I guess I did something right. But got the job done. Got the air intakes on. Got the charge pipe on. And you know what, bro? I'm mad the other charge pipe wasn't long enough. So I would try it, but I didn't want to tear nothing up and then be stuck without it. So I just kept the stock one on this one until they send me a longer one. But for the most part, everything else held up pretty good. I can say I get more throttle response or not, but I most definitely do feel a difference in the throttle. So it's like more responsive. But it's how you do the arms intakes, man. I would suggest highly doing this to your car. It's gonna make it a lot louder as far as like that whoosh. Man, what?
Yeah, it was Lotus. This belonged to Miss Clark, which is a famous F1 driver. I've been restored all their Lotuses. This belongs to a guy who collects antiques. He's got 270 something cars I take care of. This is my pop's car. I've been building it for a while. And it'll be running probably the end of this week finally.
Man. And you said you got a Lamborghini engine.
Yeah, that's a 6.2 stroker underground racing. Puts out like 2,100. I got to get rid of the junkyard parts and upgrade a little bit, but I couldn't afford to do that yet. Yeah, BMW, Mercedes, Audi, school there is for the past 15 years. Well, 10 years actually, but 15 years in the industry. My grandparents, they owned a bunch of racetracks and shit.
Yeah.
On my mom's side. Then on my dad's side, they were old moonshiners, had a body shop and stuff. They were, well-known family. Yeah. Power Glide 9-inch 4-gear. That's between me and a buddy of mine, Michael Bramlett.
That looks crazy.
Yeah, this is Elias. That's my buddy. We're hopefully getting the store in Highlands rolling. He owns that one. I own a Buick. I got a Fox setup that he had in it from the factory. Doing a Hayabusa swap. I got this gearbox from Tom.
Hayabusa, that's a motorcycle, right?
Yep. So we're going from 60 horse to, I can tune it, hopefully get it up to like 300 horse or something. But it's going to be like an all-wheel drive, little fun toy for him. And then I have the match to this car at the house. They both produce 1,700 to the wheels.
What?
It's all
1,700?
1,700.
That's crazy. And everything is like built.
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 I actually make these intakes, fuel rails, and the throttle bodies.
So if I one on this side because it actually is shorter than this one. So I thought it didn't fit, but this, whatever this is right here, is pushed up further. So you gotta put this one on this side.